Hello from
South Lake Tahoe.
Here we are. We're going to do a 9.6 mile hike. We're going to go to the summit up here. It's Mount Tallac.
Yes.
All right. We'll show you the journey. We're excited. We're in good spirits.
Yes.
Yeah, we
it's
are.
early.
All right. Let's go. Towering at 9,700 feet, Mount Tallac is the tallest peak along Lake Tahoe shoreline.
This is the first peak of Mount Tallac, and that's our goal right there.
We're going all the way up there. There's still snow. The Mount Tallac Trail runs along the side here at Fallen Leaf Lake. So we got Fallen Leaf Lake in the back. We got Lake Tahoe all the way in the back over there as well. Beautiful day. We just got started and we're ready to keep going.
More views from Tahoe along the trail.
One mile done.
1 mile done? Oh yeah.
Peak is still up there.
That's great.
All right. We're still having a great time, everybody. And views like that, can't complain. Right, here we are, 2 miles into this hike. Snack break. We're taking a break at one of the 2 lakes located along this trail. This is Floating Island Lake. Very flat. And some mushrooms. Mushrooms. This is how you get energy. It's a power up. Oh, there's so many, look.
For all you hikers and viewers out there, keep in mind, 2.5 miles at 1,000 elevation, raging river. You gotta be careful. You gotta cross a bridge made out of twigs. Right there, look at that. Man.
Yeah. All right.
You gotta be really careful crossing. Whoa. Oh, we made it.
Here you go.
All right, Sean.
Raging River.
You made it. Wow. We're lucky to be alive.
All right, checking in. We're here at Cathedral Lake, another very flat lake here. We're about 2.7 miles in. The peak is at 4.9, so we're almost there. This next part is going to be very strenuous. It's going to have the least sun cover. So we're ready, sunscreened up. Let's go.
Snacked up. We're ready. Got some energy, electrolytes.
Let's go. We go all the way up here. I think it's that. Nope, that's not it. It's up there. Promise you. I think this is a false peak. And this is the real one.
Oh no.
Our app says we got 1 mile left. The guys we passed, they said we got 3 miles left. We're really hoping it's just 1. But the views at the top, they're going to be great. Trail continues to be very rocky here. Update from the trail. We just got done with the steep portion of the hike.
Oh yeah.
It's all flattening out here.
We got trees back.
The trees, the life is back. We're still unsure about how long it takes to get to the top. Our app still says 1 mile, but the guys still say 2 miles.
This is the summit of Mount Tallac. It's just right there. We're almost there. We took a little shortcut, and I think it saved us a lot of time actually.
More uphill, but shorter for sure.
Yes.
About 0.2 miles. That's it.
Almost there.
Almost there.
We're ready.
Almost there,
Oh
Sean.
my gosh.
How do you
Almost
feel?
there.
We're just about there. Wow, it's so beautiful.
We made it. Hello from the summit of?
Mount Tallac.
Alright, just made it to the top. Lots of great views here.
Beautiful.
Tons of lakes. You can see every lake in the area here. This is the tallest peak in the immediate shoreline of Lake Tahoe. Made it to the top. Time for
Have
some lunch.
We made it!
We made it to the top of Mount Tallac. We ate lunch and I took a nap.
Alright, made it to the top here, Mount Tallac. Next week, Half Dome. Alright, after a 5-hour climb, about 5 miles and about over 3,000 feet of elevation gain, we're at the top. Here we are, Mount Tallac. Very tiring. We took lots of breaks. We're well fed, ready to go back to the bottom.
Home stretch.
Here, this is the end.
This is the end.
That was a rough one,
That was a rough last couple miles.
but the views were great.
It was really fun though. It was great.
Ready to jump in the lake. Post hiking ice cream. Single scoop. Single. Oh my gosh. $6. Here we are. Greatest establishment. Camp Richardson Creamery.
Bye.